Hi, this is Sunita Shroff from Pune, and I am the owner of my boutique, which I began way back in 1982 while I was still at college. And today I am here to show you one of the products which I continue making from that day till date. So these are my quilted table mats, which is a set of 6 and a runner. Now the idea behind this is that they are all quilted, and you can see a hand applique work patchwork embellishment done. So these are made by the underprivileged women, and so it empowers these women. And again, being cotton, these are washable and reusable. Do DM for your orders, and please check my Instagram page. Thank you.